Hey everyone, today I want to show you how you can get accurate white balance with your Lumix cameras. Alright, so we're going to set the white balance of this Lumix GH6. This also works for any other Lumix camera that you may have, being that all the menu systems and functions can generally be found in all the cameras, meaning the general parameters, the settings that you can set, the white balance, shutter speed, everything else, autofocus, menu. They're all generally found in the same area in all the Lumix cameras, so you should be able to easily follow along regardless of the model of Lumix camera you have. So let's get to it. First, you're going to go to the white balance section or press the WB button up top by the shutter button. And here you are. You can see here you have all the options of your white balance. There's auto and stuff like that. Tungsten, sunlight, flash, white balance. And then here are your presets. Now you can lock in and save your custom preset. Depending on if you're shooting outdoor, then you may be shooting video or photos. Indoor, then you might want to preset these. Okay. So let's get on over to here. Now, once you're at, let's say, preset 1 in this case, you're going to press that white set, what is it called? White set capture. Now, once you press that, okay, you'll see that little rectangle. Now, I'm going to take the X-Rite color checker passport or any other gray card that has 18% gray. You're going to stick it right and cover up that that rectangle, excuse me. Clearly, I don't know my geometry. And then you're going to press the set button. It will take a picture and automatically set the white balance. And there you go. Now, the one thing I would recommend doing is going into your menu, okay, and go to where you can save and then save it. Okay, that's the best way to do it as well. Because if you are shooting everything, I would lock in this white balance as well as the entire camera settings all in one place. The white balance will be saved in a preset, but this is another way to kind of add redundancy, because you'll save the camera settings, picture profile, everything else, as well as the white balance all together. So this is another clever way to kind of future-proof or idiot-proof your custom modes. Now you can go ahead and repeat that process for outdoor. Press the white balance button, as I already did. Then go to settings. Now you could press right up here as well. You don't have to just tap it on the screen as I did earlier. You can also go to right here. Okay, let me just get there. And just press up, and that'll do the same thing. And then once you're up, then here we are. And then it'll ask for us to cover up that rectangle. Make sure there's enough light hitting it, by the way. And that's it. Simple as that. Now, this is just a quick tip for you to get the closest, or at least the most accurate white balance as quick as possible. Now, this will also help whether it's for photography or for your videography. I use it for both all the time. I've heard this question asked numerous times in my YouTube channel and as well as on Instagram. And I thought this might be a quick tip for help you all out there. If you have any other tips that you think could better help improve your white balance, feel free to post your comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, share, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming videos. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.